Hello and welcome back to this HTML5 course where today we're going to be going over the figure element. And so this is a semantic element, so there really isn't much, much to go over. It just provides some context for us as to what we're doing. But essentially it's used to, so the aside element was the other semantic element that we've gone over so far. And it was used to, display something that was sort of unrelated to the actual content of the page. The figure element, on the other hand, it's used to display a figure, such as an image or a chart or a table or something like that, that is related to the content of the page. So that's the figure element. Let's have a look. All right, so here we are. I went ahead and created a file, an HTML file already ready for us. And inside here, we're actually going to go ahead and, create a figure element. So for starters, we're going to create it with a div. To show you the difference here. And then inside there, we can just put something like an image, src. And then let's go ahead and get an image off of Google, some kind of image. Let's do image, images. Come on. All right, there we go. We got a, oh, that's a big image. Let's do this image. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and copy image address. There we go. src. There we go. And then here we can just go ahead and close that off. There we go. So now let's go to Google Chrome. Let's ls5.html. Let's go ahead and reveal that in Finder. There we go. Let's go ahead and put that in there. And there we go. You can see now we got an image. Cool. Okay, so this is, pretty much everybody's done this already like a million times. Cool. Now, instead of that, what we're going to add is a figure here. Instead of the div. And you can see that that's going to add some styling. It's going to display block, add some margin. But other than that, all we do is just wrap it in a figure instead of a div. So that's all it does. Pretty simple stuff. Nothing too complex here. Yeah, that's a figure element used for, for figures.